Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. If you want your Instagram account to grow consistently in 2026, then you need to stop relying only on luck, trends, or viral sounds and start understanding Instagram SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, and on Instagram, it determines who sees your content, where it appears, and how long it keeps getting views. When Instagram SEO is done correctly, three powerful things happen. Your posts and reels start ranking in Instagram search, your content reaches non followers automatically, your follower growth becomes predictable instead of random. Most creators experience flat growth, low views, slow followers, and inconsistent reach. But once SEO is applied properly, that flat graph can completely change direction and start moving forward. Instagram begins pushing your content through Explore, Search, suggested accounts, and even Google, which means your post can attract views and followers long after they're uploaded. Let's dive in. Now, why Instagram SEO is a game changer. When your account is optimized for SEO, Instagram understands what your content is about, who your ideal audience is, when and where to recommend your post. This gives you four major benefits. Your reels have higher chance of going viral, your videos rank for specific search terms, your profile appears when people search your niche, your content reaches people who don't follow you. Now, the most important question is, how do you actually do Instagram SEO the right way? I'll explain it in five simple but powerful steps. Pay close attention to step 3 and step 5 because most creators completely ignore them, and that's why they struggle. So, step 1 is to optimize your name field, not just your username. One of the biggest SEO mistakes creators make is ignoring the name field. Instagram search does not rely on your username, it heavily prioritizes the name section of your profile. So, instead of keeping it plain, you should add your niche, your profession, your city if relevant. For example, Instagram growth coach, Delhi, video editor, Mumbai, fitness trainer, Cebu. To do this, go to edit profile, edit the name field, keep your name and add keywords naturally. This helps your account rank when someone searches by profession, brands look for creators in specific cities, people search niche related terms. This is extremely important for freelancers, local creators, and paid collaborators. Also, repeat your niche and city once in your bio description. So, when your name field and bio work together, Instagram clearly understands how to rank and recommend your account. Step 2 is to add keywords to every reel and your profile. Instagram SEO doesn't stop at your profile. Each reel also needs optimization. Now, before posting a reel, open ChatGPT, ask for 5 to 6 keywords related to your video topic. Once given, choose the most relevant ones, then add those keywords naturally in your caption and use relevant hashtags that match the topic. So this allows your reel to appear in the Instagram search results, not just explore. For example, when someone searches how to grow on Instagram, your reel can appear directly in search even if it was never pushed on explore. This brings free evergreen views because search based content keeps ranking over time. Now, to optimize your account level SEO, go to your profile, tap the three lines, find the keyword or category section, add 5 to 6 keywords related to your niche. So, this tells Instagram exactly what your account is about, who your content should be shown to, and once done, both your videos and profile start ranking together. Step 3 is to turn on account suggestions. This is a hidden growth hack. Most creators don't know this, but account suggestions alone can bring daily followers. You've seen it before. You follow one account, Instagram suggests similar accounts, and those suggested profiles gain free visibility without posting anything new. To enable this, open Instagram on desktop or Chrome on mobile and enable desktop mode. Log in into your account, go to edit profile, and turn on account suggestions. Now, once enabled, Instagram actively recommends your profile to users interested in similar content. This is one of the most underrated SEO features on Instagram. Step 4 is to allow Instagram to rank you on Google. This step allows your Instagram post to appear outside Instagram directly on Google. Here's how. Go to Settings, open Account Privacy. Now enable public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. Once enabled, your reels can appear on Google search pages, your posts can rank alongside YouTube videos, External traffic starts flowing to your profile. When people click those links, they land directly on your Instagram account. If your content is valuable, they follow you instantly, bringing high quality followers without ads. Step 5 is consistency, the real growth multiplier. No SEO strategy works without consistency. This is the foundation, right? Instagram needs data to understand your account. Like same niche, same category, same type of audience. When you post consistently, Instagram learns who enjoys your content, who to recommend it to, and how aggressively to push it. Consistency does not mean posting daily. It means if you post daily, stay daily. If you post every 2 days, stay consistent. If you post 3 times a week, don't break the pattern. Avoid multiple reels in one day. This can confuse distribution and reduce reach. So, smart creators let viral videos continue performing, keep posting on schedule, plan content strategically. Posting randomly after one viral video is the biggest mistake new creators make. SEO amplifies good content, it doesn't replace quality. Now, when you combine profile SEO, real keyword optimization, account suggestions, Google visibility, and consistency, your Instagram account becomes search driven, discoverable, and scalable. At this point, Instagram is no longer guessing who to show your content to. It clearly understands your niche, your audience, and your value. Now, here's the part most creators don't understand. Instagram SEO compounds over time. Unlike trends that disappear in days, SEO optimized reels keep working in the background. A video you posted a weeks or even months ago can suddenly start getting views again, simply because people are searching for that topic today. This is why SEO focused creators grow differently. They build a content library that continues to attract views from search, non followers consistently, and stronger algorithm trust. Over time, Instagram starts indexing your content faster and recommending your newer posts more aggressively. That's when growth feels easier, not because you're posting more, but because your past content is still working for you. Apply these steps properly, and Instagram will start working for you, not against you. There are also additional settings that can further boost reel performance. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. See you in the next one.
Introducing Engagey. Grow from invisible to unstoppable. Explode your social media reach and generate more business online with the ultimate AI cheat code. Breakthrough AI-powered Chrome extension for Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and the rest. Dominate any niche on the social media with superior AI-driven engagement. This is what consistent engagement got us on X and LinkedIn. Again, designed for use on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Threads, and it's compatible with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, Discord, Quora, Tumblr. One-click engagement on any social website. Power your growth with Engagey. Get increased visibility for your content. Engagey helps you to tap into the algo. The algorithm favors those who engage. Engagey builds your subscriber base, build a community that helps you thrive. Engagey creates a powerful network. Create authentic engagement with just one click. Promote your products and services organically. Auto-create custom and unique replies that are tailored to the post. Engage in any language. Multi-AI maximize originality and uniqueness. Engagey keeps your account safe. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Engagey now. Just go to getengagey.in.